One of the items that really came out, I think, in this study was that when you start listening to what do you do when you're in a mobile home from the Weather Service point of view, such as in the National Storms Lab in Norman, they tell you to get out of the mobile home, that you are safer actually out of the mobile home than you are in the mobile home when it comes to a tornado. And so we need to do something, I think, for the people that live in these mobile homes to allow them some safety. And going to be some tough issues that'll be involved in this.
I was listening to the television, and they was telling us it was close, and then all of a sudden it was there. So I made my way. I did not live at the park area, but I made my way over there. And what we've seen was total devastation. It was dark, people screaming and crying, trying to find loved ones, and it's really devastating. And it's hard to describe what you feel because you have friends there, people that you know on an individual basis, families and stuff. So it was very devastating. I think it's equally important. I do not think that a person, just because they live in a mobile home park, should have to travel to go to someplace else. I think there's a need for shelters in these homes, these mobile home parks, and the cost could be unbearable. But most mobile home park owners would provide this if they could have some kind of help to get them in.
I think it's difficult to say exactly what will come out of this study because there are many other issues that are involved that I think we still have to look at. Certainly tax credits could be one. Whether or not we can get that passed this year with the kind of budget that we're seeing, it probably looks pretty dim. So, we need to look at a lot of different issues. Is there money available from a federal perspective? What other programs might be available that could help pay for these shelters? So, from a standpoint of do we need the shelters? I think there's no doubt we need the shelters. If we live in Oklahoma, mobile home parks need tornado shelters. The best way to go about funding those shelters is the issue here, and I think that's what we're going to have to deal with as we get into the session.